Cleaning with citric acid is effective and an excellent natural cleaner due to its ability to dissolve minerals, break down grime, and neutralize odors. It's also a non-toxic properties. Here are some tips on how to make your home sparkling clean with citric acid. 1. Cleaning of kettles. Make a solution of 2 tablespoons of citric acid with 1 liter of water. Pour the solution into the kettle or coffee maker and let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. 2. Taps and shower heads. Dip the shower head in a mixture of 1 tablespoon of citric acid in a cup of water, or soak a cloth or sponge in the mixture and apply to the affected areas. Leave for 15-30 minutes, then scrub and rinse. 3. Tile and grout. Mix citric acid with water to create a paste. Apply it to the tiles and grout. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub and rinse. 4. Toilet bowls. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of citric acid into the toilet bowl and also sprinkle ½ cup of baking soda on top, then let it sit for about 20 minutes. Scrub with a brush before flushing. 5. Sinks and drains. Pour ½ cup of citric acid and ½ cup of baking soda down the drain to help break down buildup, grease, and deodorize. 6. Countertops and appliances. Mix 1 tablespoon of citric acid in a cup of water to wipe down the surfaces, then rinse with water. 7. Dishwasher cleaner. Place a cup of citric acid powder in an empty dishwasher and run a hot cycle to remove buildup, improving performance and eliminate odors. 8. Glass and mirrors. Mix 2 tablespoons of citric acid with a cup of water in a spray bottle. Spray on glass surfaces and wipe with a clean cloth for a streak-free shine. 9. Washing machine. Pour 50 grams of citric acid into the washing machine to help soften water and remove mineral deposits. 10. Stainless steel. Create a paste with citric acid and water. Apply it to stainless steel surfaces. Scrub gently, then rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. 11. Rust. Make a paste with citric acid and water. Apply to rusted areas. Leave for 1-2 hours. Scrub with a brush and rinse thoroughly. Let us know in the comments section which one of them you have tried. And if you enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.